Yo, what's good, guys? If you're a guy in your late 20s or 30s, you've probably felt the weight of holding a grudge, not just against one person, but a whole group. Maybe it's resentment toward corporate types who block your career, or society for expecting you to man up 24/7. These group grudges, they're silently killing your mental clarity. Today, we're diving into how this happens, why it's not just you, and what you can do to get your headspace back. And yeah, this applies to everyone, men, women, any group. Stick around because we've got research-backed tips to fix this. Let's get into it. All right, so what's a group grudge? It's when you hold resentment toward a category of people. So think all bosses, women, straight people. For us guys, maybe you're pissed at the suits who seem to keep gatekeeping promotions. Or you feel like society's rigged, demanding that you be stoic while everyone else gets to vent. This isn't just a guy thing either, right? A woman might hold a grudge against men for workplace sexism. A black person might carry anger about systemic racism tied to the history, of slavery. A gay person might resent straight folks for past exclusion. These grudges come from real pain, often systemic issues, legitimate ones. But they mess with your brain no matter who you are, no matter what group. A 2019 study in psychosomatic medicine found that chronic resentment spikes cortisol, the stress hormone, clouding your focus and memory. That's science saying grudges equal mental fog. So let's talk about you. Say you're 32, grinding in a job where the older execs, let's call them the corporate bros, keep passing you over. You start resenting all of the higher ups. Or maybe you're tired of the tough guy stereotype. Society always expecting you to bottle up your emotions while others get a pass on doing that. These grudges feel justified, but they're sabotaging your clarity. And research backs this up. A 2021 study in health psychology linked chronic anger to anxiety and depression, which tank your ability to think straight. So when you're stewing over the corporate bros, your brain's stuck in fight mode. Cortisol floods in and suddenly you're forgetting deadlines or you're snapping at coworkers. And I've been there, many years ago, I had a, women are the problem phase. When I was younger, I thought older people were the problem. And as a black man, I've had a thing about cops at points, Here's another relatable one, dating. Maybe you've been burned and now think all women just want X, Y, and Z. That grudge narrows your perspective. A 2018 Journal of Social Issues study says group-based resentment creates an us versus them mindset, making it harder to see nuance. So you're not solving problems, you're just stuck. Now, let's zoom out, right? This isn't just a guy problem. We know that. It hits any group. Take a woman who's faced sexism, like being interrupted in meetings. She might resent all men, and that anger clouds her focus. A 2020 American Journal of Public Health study found discrimination stress hurts cognitive function across groups. So same deal for a black man carrying the weight of slavery's legacy. 2021 Federal Reserve data shows black families have 13 cents for every white family's dollar. That's real fuel for resentment, but it also drains mental energy. Or picture a gay person resentful of straight folks for decades of exclusion, like before 2015 when same-sex marriage wasn't legal everywhere, right? That grudge can make them hypervigilant, cutting into clear thinking. Social identity theory from Tajfel and Turner's 1979 work says group grudges sharpen in-group loyalty but distort how you see the other. Whether you're a guy, a woman, black, gay, same brain, same fog. Now, grudges aren't all bad. They can actually motivate you. A 2017 Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin study found collective anger drives action, like guys pushing back against unfair masculine stuff or women fueling the Me Too movement. For you, maybe resenting the system pushes you to hustle harder or mentor younger dudes. But the catch, it's a mental tax. A 2016 Peace and Conflict study says unresolved group resentment leads to burnout. You might feel sharp when you're all ramped up, but over time, you're going to end up running on fumes. Your clarity, your ability to plan, create, or just relax all take a hit. So, how do you break free without ignoring real issues? Here are 5 research-backed steps for us. Number 1, mindfulness. A 2020 mindfulness study says 5 to 10 minutes of deep breathing or meditation cuts stress. So try an app like Headspace. When you're pissed at the system, breathe for 10 counts, focus on your feet, it clears the fog. Number 2, reframe the anger. Cognitive behavioral therapy research shows shifting your narrative boosts clarity. So instead of corporate bros ruin everything, think, I'm building my own path, and journal that weekly. Number 3, take action. Channel resentment into purpose. A 2018 Journal of Social Issues study says small actions like mentoring or advocating reduce burnout. So you can join a men's group or start a side hustle to flip the script. Number 4, find your people. Social science and medicine says community support protects your brain. So hit up a barber shop, a Discord server, or a local meetup and just talk it out. Other guys are going to get it. Number 5, set boundaries. Health Psychology from 2021 says constant outrage, X posts are an example, will overload you. So limit news to 30 minutes daily. Follow positive accounts like creators uplifting men's mental health as opposed to just dudes bitching about stuff. These work for anybody. A woman can join feminist spaces, a gay person can connect with queer communities. Same principles, just different flavor. All right, so group grudges, whether against the man, society, or anyone else, steal your mental clarity. They hit us all, from guys to women, black people, gay people, you name it. But you've got the power to take it back. Try one of these steps this week. Maybe it's the 5 minutes of mindfulness or hitting up a friend and just talking about it. Your brain is going to feel a lot sharper. Drop a comment. What grudges are you carrying and how do they mess with your head? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos like this. Let's keep it clear out there, and I'll see you guys next time.